Hey guys, Justin Labato here inside of Autogeek Show Car Garage, and we're here to showcase the new line of GlassParency detail products. Now, I'm super excited because this company I've worked with personally in my business for years, so I know what they could bring to the table for a professional detailer, but now that they have detail products to bring to the industry, this is something that is great for enthusiasts, DIY, and of course, professionals alike. Now, this product here is their glass cleaner. This glass cleaner I like because it's a two-in-one product, I consider it. One, it allows you to clean glass and get it streak-free. Other way is being able to prep the surface for any kind of protection you may be putting on your glass. The biggest part is it's alcohol-based, so this allows you to be able to apply it on virtually any surface without any adverse effects, such as an ammonia-based glass cleaner, which could be harmful to tinted surfaces and so forth. This product, it's easy to use. You can spray it directly to the glass or spray it on a glass microfiber towel, and of course, wipe away, streak-free finish. This product is going to be something that you should definitely have in your arsenal when it comes to glass cleaners. So for any additional information you'd like to know about GlassParency and the glass cleaner product that they offer, visit autogeek.com.